Hello, welcome to Chief Workshop. Visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and look for the link in the description where you'll find a free mini course in that link, and well worth your while. So let's get started. Hello again. Okay, today we're just going to do a quick tour of a design for an existing home that we will be renovating. Let's see if we can this is the existing house, kind of a dilapidated one-story deal that got added onto and got major water issues here, so we're going to raise the entry up. Keep the garage where it is, and actually put a swimming pool back here and turn it into a fabulous home, as it is on a very nice large lot in unincorporated suburb of Chicago. The inside needs a lot of help as well with all these weird things going on. We'll be cutting a new stair into the basement and that sort of deal. So if you can picture that garage with a nice driveway and a contemporary garage door, we're going to get rid of the truss roof, and we're going to go with this Arizona contemporary mid-century sort of thing happening with an insulated framed roof. We need a little bit more room in the existing bedroom, so we punched out, cantilevered out a little bit so we can get some desk space in there and make the 10-foot minimum width a little more usable by putting the study area for the kids in there, cutting in some skylights for the kitchen, and a bathroom. Kids' bedrooms are up in front. Laundry area, we're going to have a window well, escape code required. And then we're going to have the master is going to look out. It's going to have its own patio, and we'll find a nice patio stone for that, and that will become the swimming pool. That area will become the swimming pool. And we'll have a nice little chimney. There is a chimney there right now. This is the existing. Just gets extended. Everything. This grows a little bit. We keep the roof line simple. So let's see if we can take a peek inside. As it slopes from one side to the other, we gain elevation, and then we gain a grand entry. And we have a fun bright orange door with bright orange steel columns. Nice foyer. We step up to that level. We've raised up one step from there, which would flat on grade, so we resolve the water issue, and now we're going to have to step up from the garage slab into there and then out into the backyard, because the swimming pool is almost at the same level as the slab on grade, and that thing. So here's the bedrooms. We're going to punch them out. Let's see if we can get in there, see if we can take a peek at what happens in that little bump out. So we create a little chest of drawer area, a little bit more room there for the kids. We can get a little chest and a desk area and have a lot more space in there for them. The kitchen, get some blue cabinets in there, and the hood goes up through the roof. Again, that vaulted ceiling just climbs up, and we have a nice space, nice open space out. That opens out into the great room, which then opens out into that fireplace. Let's see if we can find that fireplace. Where are you? Maybe we'll just rotate all the way out, and there it is. And then come back in. See, there's the pool. And that's where the roof comes up. You can see it's quite high there. We're going to have the beams across here span across here with 2x8s. Fill those solid with foam insulation, closed cell foam, to achieve the R49, along with a 1-inch rigid insulation for the roof. And with the high ceiling, we can do stuff like put stuff on top of the cabinets. We're going to hang the lighting will be hung down. We don't want to pierce holes through the roof, so instead of having cans there, which would start to leak, radiate, heat through the ceiling, we're going to just hang down and create some decorative fixtures that light the space instead. Let's see what else is nice about this. All right, the entry, we're going to have a nice closet, step up, powder room in there, and then you're in the great room, which we can arrange in whatever way we wish. And so from the kitchen, you have a nice view of the fireplace, you have a nice view outside, you have a nice view toward the pool, nice interaction. The homeowner wanted a close connection to the pool, so from their bed they can interact with the pool, they can go out. They're going to have a covered canopy with a nice lattice work. They'll create some nice looks for them over here. Let's see. So that sort of tells the story of how we're going to be renovating it. That's going up this spring, and maybe we'll do a follow-up video as this thing progresses. We'll see you then. Alrighty, don't forget to leave questions in the comments section, or email us with questions or suggestions. Please subscribe on the YouTube channel. Please email us to join our email list. We will notify you of fresh content as soon as it's created.